Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So the SUI chart is currently still in a, you could say, consolidation phase. We have not yet seen a break above those recent swing highs from Thursday and Friday, but the idea is that the price should push a little bit higher. I'm going to move the support area to the right because we have not yet seen that sustained breakout. I mean, the main question is, do we really see a sustained breakout? Because let's look at the chart, and it seems like we could be in the process of completing a larger degree 5-wave pattern to the upside, and that is a 5-wave pattern to the upside which started down here in October. So we have 5 waves up from the October low, nearly complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Surely there are other ways of counting this, but you can call it a 5-wave move. Then we have 5 waves nearly complete from the December low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And actually, this could even be a larger 5-wave move that started down here in September, end of September, where we are dealing with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and an extended 5th. So it just means we're getting close to the end of something, but not of the overall move. I mean, the expectations are still that the price should push a little bit higher, at least in circle 5. So that takes us to the larger degree, where we started actually the larger move in August with the wave 1 and the wave 2. And then this is all extended third. Then there could be a 4th wave and a 5th wave. I mean, that would be ideal. That's still what I am watching for. This larger 5-wave move up in wave C after a B wave likely bottomed in August. This would be a C wave. It could also be a 3rd wave. We need to talk about that more bullish scenario in the future videos. Should we actually form all 5 waves, right? That's what we need to focus on next. Do we get all these 5 waves to complete wave C? It could also be a 3rd wave in the white scenario, but that will be decided after the next top. So next upside targets on the larger time frame, 557 and 690 and maybe even 850. These are the next upside levels, and depends a little bit on where circle wave 3 here forms the top. Then we can, once we have wave 4 complete, calculate a target for wave 5, and that's again wave 5 of C or wave 5 of 3. So zooming into the more detailed wave count shows that SUI is possibly on that pathway here for one more high that I mentioned in the recent updates. That's what we wanted to see. There was a micro support region defined between $4.50 and $4.11, to which the price ideally was supposed to react, and it's done that. So the bulls are sending the price higher at the moment. That's precisely what we wanted. And there are some resistances. The first one is at $5. Well, you can see the price already reacted to it. That's also actually formally the first ideal target for that 5th wave, but it's a bit weak for a 5th. So I mentioned in one of my last updates that I sent through on Discord that I'd like to see the price get into this area here between 546 and 581. But if we now see a break below $4.11, because actually formally it's formed a higher high, I can call all 5 waves completed, and this would then be the next attempt for the bears to send the price lower in circle 4, but it would only be a counter trend move based on what I can see right now, which means this support area, it ideally would hold. That would be the expectation. And then we get one more high into that like $5, $6, $7, $8 region. So we still want the price to get there. At the moment, the trend is still up. I'm not going to call a top in place here, but I can tell you a break below $4.11 would begin that top confirmation process locally. I'm not saying a major top, but I'm calling it the top in a larger degree 3rd wave. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.